Hey! Do you know why we put wheels in mice cages?
To give them something to do so they're not bored?
Yeah, but what do you think happens if you put mouse wheels out in the forest?
I would imagine that mice would not use them.
They do.
They do?
They love it. There's amazing video of these like wheels that have just been put out in a forest. These researchers did this with cameras.
Yeah.
And like wild mice who have the entire world to run in are still like, hey! And I think that's us too. I think that we look at these wheels and we think, wheels in cages, that's what the internet is. And it's like, we love running on wheels. That's what it is. We love gossip, and it's not just the internet that caused it. We've always loved it.